topics this week. In 1790s by the British, and there is a live enactment at this moment. The British built this place as a military post during the war of 1812. American forces captured Toronto for a couple of weeks, and this place was destroyed and rebuilt afterwards. On the diamond anniversary of Canada in 1927, and exhibition places dating back until 1700s, and this is the Hotel X, the newest hotel in town. French explorer to the eastern coast. It was used as a restaurant, then here stranded.
For ice wine, most of it's in my machine, so they're so hard that
This is a town founded by loyalists in 1780. This is one of the 3 theaters hosting the festival. And I give you a tip: if you have something very confidential to discuss with God, you can come here. That's your very private, very confidential church.
Yeah, so cute.
Y'all want a picture together? Y'all want a picture?
Witness the amazing power of nature. This is probably not the highest, not the most beautiful, not the widest falls, but arguably the most famous falls in the world. Canadian Horseshoe Falls.
Cruises. May I have your attention, please? This is an important safety announcement. This boat is equipped with all necessary and proper firefighting and life-saving equipment. In the event of an emergency, our trained crew members will assist you with your life-saving equipment. For your safety, life jackets are stored in the labeled storage containers located throughout the boat. Instructions on how to wear life jackets is also clearly labeled on the storage containers. Life rafts are located at the stern of the boat. In the event of an emergency, please remain calm. An alarm will sound, and you will be directed by our crew members on how to proceed. For your safety, please do not stand on the benches. Do not climb, sit, or stand on the rails. If you have children, please keep them in your sight at all times. Children must walk, not run. The decks may become wet and slippery. When moving about the vessel, please watch your step and hold on to the handrail, especially when going up or down stairs and disembarking. We hope you enjoy your boat tour to the falls. Thank you for choosing Hornblower Niagara Cruises. As we make our way up the Niagara River, look to port, or the left side of the boat, where we will pass the American Falls. It can best be described as the American side of Niagara Falls, which in comparison is a smaller waterfall that lies far to the left of the Horseshoe Falls and is located between Prospect Point and Luna Island. According to scientific study and historical research, it has been concluded that the American Falls will eventually transform into a succession of descending rapids due to natural forces of erosion. The high flow rate of water causes the fall of large sections of bedrock from the American Falls, which is composed of soft shale and limestone. Though the height of the American Falls is higher than the Canadian counterpart, no daredevil ever preferred to go over the American Falls. All stunts were performed from the Canadian Horseshoe Falls, which is more popular with its immense water flow rate and shape. The height of the American Falls stands at 180 feet, or 56 meters high. Its crest line, 1,075 feet, or 328 meters wide. Its water flow, 75,000 gallons, or 8,800 liters per second. And a recent notable rock fall. In 1954, a large section broke off and fell near the end of Prospect Point. Next is Bridal Veil Falls, the smallest among the three waterfalls. It is located on the American side, just to the right of the American Falls, separated by Luna Island. Goat Island is much larger and separates the American and Bridal Veil Falls from the Canadian Horseshoe Falls. The height of Bridal Veil Falls is 181 feet, or 55 meters, and remains the smallest waterfall compared to its two counterparts. Niagara Falls, more specifically, is the name of three waterfalls: the American, the Bridal Veil, and the Horseshoe Falls. The Canadian side of Niagara Falls, with the highest flow rate and natural beauty, located between Goat Island and Table Rock, is known as the Horseshoe Falls of Niagara Falls.
I go all the time.
You can't turn right, it's the one way.
That's our coach.
Bye.